It's real good. Hi, my name is Eva, and this is Cooking It Up with Eva. Today we are going to be making a Colombian dessert, tres leches. For a full list of ingredients, see comments below. You will need flour, sugar, eggs, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, and milk. And this is my sister Elle. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Separate your eggs. Oopsie, fall out like this.
There you go. Don't let the yolk fall. Okay, now pour it to the other egg. And pour it back. And if you think it's good and separated, pour it in the other bowl.
Beat egg yolk and sugar until pale yellow. Pour egg mixture into flour mixture and stir until combined. Beat egg whites on high until soft peaks form. With mixer on, pour in last bit of sugar until stiff. Fold in egg whites into batter. Pour into greased pan. If you have parchment paper, that's great. We don't, so cross your fingers.
Pour it.
We don't.
Can you do it?
Have it.
Hold on to the bowl. Hold
I
on.
have it. In the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. When your cake is cool, put it on a tray and make your tres leche. Pierce your cake with a fork or a toothpick. Pour your tres leche on your cake and wait for 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video before you do anything else. And by the way, this is very yummy. I hope. No. Bye. No.